Are you facing trouble connecting to your shared printer? Don't worry. In this video, just follow simple step and solve this problem. Step 1. Go to the host PC where the printer is set up. Open Control Panel. And click on Programs and then click View Installed Updates under Programs and Features. Find the security update for Microsoft Windows KB50121770 from the list of installed updates. And uninstall the update. Step 2. Go to the Windows search menu and type Services. Open the Services menu and find Print Spooler. Restart the Print Spooler service. That's it. Now go back to your client's PC and now connect to the shared printer. Voila! You've successfully solved the printer connection problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.